My name is Hussain Javed and you are watching my channel Education Vessel. Today we are going to talk about trigonometry. The introduction of the trigonometry is covered in the previous lecture. Today in this lecture I am going to cover the first topic of the trigonometry, that is how to convert degree into radian. So first of all you have to know that an angle has two units. The first one is known as degree and the second one is called as radian. Okay, in this topic we are going to cover we are going to convert degree into radian. Okay, convert the following into radian. Okay, the first question is 60 degree and I'm going to convert this into radian. This is very simple. Look at this. Simply, if you want to convert any angle that is into degrees, you have to convert it into radian. Simply multiply it with pi by 180. We know that 60 ones are 60 and 60 3 times 180, that is pi over 3. If you want to write your answer in the form of fraction, this answer is okay. But if you want to write your answer in the form of decimal, then you have to convert it. You have to put the value of pi. And let's see what is the value of pi. Therefore, we know that pi is equal to 22 over 7, that is equal to 3.1428. We will put the value of pi in the place of pi, that is 3.1428 divided by 3. Then we will divide 3.1428 by 3 with the help of calculator. Then we will get 1.0476, 1.0476 radian. That is converted into radian. Okay. Before we jump to the next question, you have to know that 1 degree has how many minutes and seconds. Okay, let's see. You have to know that therefore 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and similarly 1 degree is equal to 3600 seconds. Okay, this question is also known as DMS. Okay, DMS means degree minutes second. The single dash that is on the top of 30, it indicates minutes, and this double dash is indicating the seconds. Okay, so we are converting. First of all, if you want to convert it into radian, you can't convert it directly into the radian. For that purpose, you have to convert it into the form of degree. Then simply you can convert it into the radian. Okay, first of all you have to convert it into degree. You will put the plus sign between them. Okay, this is 30 minutes. If you want to convert it into degree, you have to divide it by 60. It is converted to degree because 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. That is why 30 is divided by 60 and it is converted into degree. Similarly, 42 seconds, if you want to convert it into degree, 1 degree is equal to 3600 seconds. That's why 42 will be divided with 3600 and it is now in the form of degree. Now we will write 18 degree. We will divide it 30 divided by 60. 30 divided by 60, you will get 0.5. 0.5 degree plus 42 divided by 3600, then you will get 0.0 0.0 0.01166 degree. Now you have to add them. We will add them. We will get 18.5116 degree. Now this DMS, degree minute second, is converted into degree. Similarly, as we done in the first question, that was in the degree, here is the same method. You have to multiply it with pi over 180 to convert it into radian. Okay, 18.5116 multiply, you will put the value of pi, that is 3.1428, divided by 180 as it is, 18.1516 multiply, you have to divide it 3.1428 by 180, you will get 0.1746. Now you have to multiply them, then you will get the final answer. Okay, if you multiply them, you will get 0.3232 radian. Finally, we get the answer in the form of radian. Okay, now look at question number 3. In this lecture, we are trying to cover every type of question. Okay, this question is in the form of 3 degree and 15 minute. 3 degree and 15 minute. This question in the form of 3 degree and 15 minute. Second is not given. Second is 0 seconds. 3 degree, 15 minute and 0 second. Okay, now convert it into radian. 3 degrees, put the plus sign between them. Okay, you know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. That is why 15 is divided by 60 to convert it into degree. Okay, now it is in the form of degree. 3 degree plus, now divide 15 by 60. Divide 15 by 60, then you will get 0.25 degree. Then you add them, you will get 3.25 degree. Same as previous 2 questions. If you get the answer if you have any question in the form of degree, only degree, then you have to convert it in radian simply by multiplying it with pi over 180. Now 3.25, put the value of pi, that is 3.1428 divided by 180, 3.25 as it is. Now you have to divide them. 3.1428 divided by 180, you will get 0.01746. Now you have to multiply them, then simply you will get the answer in the form of radian, that is equal to 0.05674 radian. Okay, finally your answer is finally converted into the radian. Okay, if you this answer is in the form of decimal. Okay, after decimal point, it's up to you. It depends on you how much digits you want to write. Okay, you can write 2 digits after the decimal point, 3 digit, 4 digit, it's up to you. Okay, it's no problem. You can write 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. Okay, I wrote here after the decimal point 5 digits. Okay, no problem. So, okay, now we are going to solve this question number 4, that is in the form of 57 degree and 44 seconds. Let's see how to solve this question. 57 degree plus, you always put the sign of plus between them. Okay, here 18 degree 30 second, 42 degree 42 seconds, we put the plus signs between them. Here same as here and same as here. Okay, you have to put the plus sign here. You know that 1 degree is equal to 3600 seconds. That is why 44 is divided by 3600 seconds. Now it is in the form of degree. Okay, 57 degree plus, now you have to divide them. 44 divided by 3600. With the help of calculator you will get 0.0122 degree. Now you have to add them, then you will get 57.0122 degrees. Now you have to convert them. You have to convert it into radian simply by multiply it with, that with pi over 180. Now 57.0122 as it is, multiply for the value of pi, that is 3.1428 divided by 180. 57.0122 as it is, multiply. Now you have to divide them. If you divide them, you will get 0.01746. Now finally you have to multiply these two values, then you will get your final answer in the form of radian. Okay, you will get, if you multiply them, 57.0122 multiplies 0.01746, then you will get 0.9954 radian. Okay, now it is finally converted into radian. Okay, I want to repeat it again. If you want to convert degree into radian, you have to multiply it with pi over 180, then you will get the answer in the form of radian. Okay, if you have the question in the form of DMS, first of all you have to convert it into degree. Look at the question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4. Then you will multiply with pi over 180, pi over 180 and pi over 180, and you finally will get the answer in the form of radian. Okay, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos.